Guys, I'm out on 34th Street. I'm here because Jordan Brand invited me to another event. It's crazy. The love that they're showing me is insane. Not exactly sure what we're gonna be seeing, but I'm excited. These events are always a really good time, so let's get to it. Nike headquarters for the Art of a Champion exhibit, and it's super cool. They've got a lot of really great sneakers dropping. They've got Converse, they've got Nike, they've got some amazing Jordans. We've also got to meet really great people like Ray Allen, Rasheed Wallace, Dr. J. It's been a crazy experience. Let's take a look at what's going on around the event.
You know him? Mr. Three-point shot, as we say. Ray Allen. Rasheed Wallace, ladies and gentlemen. Julius Irving, Dr. J. In the house.
So the first shoe we're going to look at is the Zoom LeBron Soldier 25 Straight. And there's some really great history behind this shoe, but obviously the colorway is also fire. I think it's a really great sneaker overall, and I'm really into blue and white, and I think any retro LeBron is probably a winner. Not only that, but you've also got this really cool tag, which is also featured on all the sneakers in the collection, which is the championship trophy tag, which I think is a really cool feature. Overall, a super dope shoe. Can you tell me a little bit about the inspiration behind your shoe?
My inspiration behind this particular model is protection, and you know, you gotta protect your will. For me, one of my two bread and butters is my ankles and my knees. That's why I always wore high tops, but I gotta protect my ankles no matter if I tape my ankles or even wear ankle braces. Gotta protect my ankles, gotta protect the money makers. So that's why I've always rocked the Air Force One. You know, of course, put a orthotic in there. You know, because these joints is flat. They kill your feet if you just slip them on and think you could hoop. But that's the main reason why I wore them though. I mean, not only fashionable, but that ankle protection, you gotta protect your money makers.
One of my absolute favorite sneakers in the entire collection is the Kobe 1 Pro Final Seconds. And obviously this comes in the Lakers colorway with Kobe's number on the heel. I really love the purple accents and the yellow accents, and honestly up close the leather does look really nice. Also that carbon fiber accent around the heel actually looks really clean as well. So obviously the Pro was designed with performance in mind, so even though it looks like the original Kobe 1, it's actually a completely redesigned Kobe from the ground up. So all the technology in the sneaker is now designed for modern basketball, which is pretty insane. Even though the price is a little bit more expensive, as you would expect, because it is a modern sneaker, it does look super clean, and I'm definitely going to try and grab a pair for myself.
You know, I think it's a good representation of what I had on my feet when I played basketball. I played basketball in the NBA, I played in the ABA, I played around the world. I played in the Rucker League, grew up in Long Island. Converse seemingly has always been a part of my life.
So this is a special pair of the Nike Air Force 270. It's called the Gold Standard. Obviously it's sort of a championship themed pair. I think it looks really clean. Like I've said in the past, the Air Force 270 isn't exactly my favorite silhouette, but I think in this black and gold colorway, I mean honestly anything in black and gold looks really clean. And this in particular, Might have to be a pickup if it's not too crazy limited. Next up, we've got the Air Jordan 1 Pass the Torch, and this is Kawhi Leonard's Air Jordan 1. I think it's a really cool sneaker. Obviously, we talked about it in the previous video, but the really nice thing about this shoe is that it comes in this all silver, white, and black colorway, and I think that looks really, really clean. It's got a couple Kawhi Leonard accents throughout the shoe, like you've got Kawhi Leonard's hand on the left sneaker. You've got the 16 scratch marks on the heel for the amount of games you have to play to actually win a championship. Not only that, but it's also got a translucent outsole with Kawhi Leonard's hand on the bottom, which I think is super, super clean. Overall, I don't know how limited the shoe is going to be, but I'm sure it's going to be a sneaker that a lot of people are going to want. But guys, that pretty much wraps it up for me here at Nike headquarters for the Art of a Champion event. This has been an insane experience. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and letting me come out here. Thank you again to Jordan Brand for having me out. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the entire event. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, let me know what sneakers you're looking forward to most. I think the Kawhi ones are my favorite so far, to be honest, but you know, we'll see if I can actually get a pair. And as always, guys, see you guys in the next one.